Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We all know windshield wipers are super important for us to drive safely in the rain, but many of us, including me a couple of years ago, are hesitant to replace our windshield wipers simply because we don't know how. Actually, replacing windshield wipers are super easy. It only takes 5 to 10 minutes to do, and it doesn't even require any tools to do it. Today, I'm gonna use my friend's car to show you how to replace your bad windshield wiper. So here is her 2015 Honda Civic. As we can see, these wiper blades are doing a terrible job. She's definitely gonna get into a car accident in the rain with these wiper blades. So for her safety, I'm gonna replace these wiper blades for her. Before we can replace the windshield wipers, we need to know the correct windshield wiper size for your car. Different cars use different sized windshield wipers. On many cars, even the driver's side and the passenger side use different sized windshield wipers. So how do we choose the right one? An easy way that I'd like to use is to go to a website that sells windshield wiper and look up the size of the wiper blades for your car. Take AutoZone for example. Go to the AutoZone website using the link in the description below. Enter the year, make, and model, and it will show you the correct driver side and passenger side windshield wiper size for your car. After knowing the sizes, you can go on a wild hunt for discounted wiper blades. I got these Michelin wiper blades from Costco when they're on sale. Now, let's take the wiper blades out of the box. In many cases, you will notice there's a guard on the windshield wiper to protect the blades. We will remove it after we finish installing the windshield wiper. Now, let's lift the wiper arm so that it can stand up on its own. As we can see here, our new wiper blade is the exact same size as the old one, which means we're getting the right size. You'll probably notice there are a couple more connectors in the package. We don't need to worry about them for now. Now, let's take off the old windshield wiper. To do that, you simply need to bend it upward, wiggle it a little bit, and gently pull it off. Check to see if there's a remaining part of the old windshield wiper like this and just slide it off. We can see that this wiper blade arm uses a J hook because, well, the tip of it looks like the letter J. Attaching windshield wiper to J hook is super easy. There's a plastic cap on top of the Michelin windshield wiper. If you lift the cap up, you can see there's this part in there that can be hooked up to the J hook. So what we're gonna do is make sure the J hook hook up to that part in there and slide upwards. Now the windshield wiper will stay, but it's not locked in. All we need to do is to pull down the cap and push it in until we hear a click. Now the windshield wiper is locked in place. And finally, we just remove the guard. It is time to see our result. We can see that the new wiper blades work so much better than the old one. Now I can sleep well at night knowing that my friends will be safe driving in the rain with these new wiper blades. Let's do a recap of the entire process by replacing the driver's side windshield wiper. First, we compare the new wiper blades to the old wiper blades to make sure they are the same size. Then we remove the old wiper blades by pulling it upwards and wiggle a bit until it comes off. Remember to remove any remaining part of the old windshield wiper. Next, we install the new wiper blades by making the J hook hook up to the wiper blade and then slide the wiper blade upwards. Finally, we pull down the cap, press it down until we hear a click, and pull off the blade guard. There you have it. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. I'll see you next time.